we'll open this up. We'll put this in. Then we tighten it all the way to the tightest setting. Make sure this is the max torque too. And that's the max. Then we slide. Oh, I removed the not the chunk. Yeah, that's very unfortunate. Maybe we can do this one more time. Those are the only lengths we can now grip. Hopefully this could succeed. And we'll try it. Open this, do all the best we can. Then see. Oh, I removed the poor quality of the thread. Yeah, if it's made of pure metal or iron or anything, this might be just twisted off, but it's really maybe too tight here. Yeah. Okay, I didn't.